we'll guide you through how to open a Google Drive link. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Drive homepage by typing drive.google.com into the address bar. Make sure you are logged into your Google account because you need to have access rights to the link. Once you're on the Google Drive page, look for the link that you want to open. You might have received it via email, chat, or any other communication platform. Simply click on the link if it's hyperlinked, or if it's a plain text link. You can copy it by highlighting the text, right-clicking, and selecting Copy. Then paste it into the browser's address bar and hit Enter. If the link requires permission, it might prompt a Request Access page. If you see this, just click the Request Access button and wait for the owner to grant you permission. Alternatively, if you have already been given access, the file or folder should open automatically, allowing you to view or edit the contents, depending on the permissions set by the owner. If you're having trouble opening the link, double-check that the link is complete and correctly copied, as a broken link might not work properly. Also, ensure that you are using a compatible and updated web browser like Chrome for the best experience. Remember, some files might be set to view-only mode, meaning you can see them but not make any changes. If you need to edit, you might have to request edit access from the owner. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.